Hi all. Today our topic is how to change the Jmeter heap size. Topic name is just a minute. How to change the Apache Jmeter heap size. Okay. The step one. First of all, you need to go to your Jmeter installed path. Example, my folder it's available. Means my Jmeter the file it's available. E folder Apache Jmeter 5.4.1 and Apache Jmeter 5.4.1 and bin and Jmeter bat file. Okay. Step 2 is you need to open to the jmeter.bat file. Bat otherwise you can call just a minute. Jmeter window batch file. Okay. Dot bat format is it's a window batch file. Okay, you need to open the file with the edit mode and change the Jmeter heap size. Okay, the format of setting this way. Whenever you need to open to the Jmeter bat file with edit mode, you need to set the heap size. Otherwise, XMS you need to set this one. The specific file you can find this way. Okay, set heap is equal to hyphen capital X MS 1024M hyphen XMX 4096 means XMS means it's a minimum, XMX is a maximum. 1024 means 1024 MB it's a 1 GB. You can see 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB, 4096 is 4 GB. Example 1024 is 1 MB, right? Into how many GB required, you can multiply that one. Okay, that way you can get easily, and based on your physical RAM capacity based you need to provide. Example, my system RAM capacity around 8 GB. Now I will provide minimum 1 GB, maximum 4 GB I will given. The reason I am not using any real-time test, load test I am not using. That reason I will provide it this way. But whenever in company's system, right, that VMs, otherwise any separate load generators, that type of systems, there is a more level of hardware configuration. Around 16 GB also will provide it sometime. Based on that one, you need to change your requirement and how much of load you are generating. Means it's moving to the high level, it's a 10,000 20,000 users, you need to run the distributed mode level in test. That time you need to increase the based on your physical RAM capacity based you need to use, and 80% of your RAM capacity you are able to use in JVM. Okay, heap size it's called in Java terms, it's a JVM only, the Java virtual machine only. You need to use this memory. Okay. Okay, when you need to change in JVM heap size, you need to increase, right? Whenever you run to the load test in Jmeter, load runner, any other tools also, whenever you run the test in load test, that time the users keep on increased, right? That time the memory it's keep on occupied. Okay, it's not available to the memory you need to using purpose users. That time you will throw the error out of memory error or GUI non-GUI mode. That time only you need to do you need to increase the Jmeter heap size or Java heap size you need to increase. Okay, this is for general theoretical. Now you need to go to the I will show you exactly how we need to change. Okay, in my system I am E folder only, I have everything. Example, this is the E folder. In E folder, Apache Jmeter 5.4.1. After another one, Apache Jmeter 5.4.1. After you need to go to the there is another files also, but it's not required. You can go to directly in bin folder. In bin folder, just you need to search to the window batch file, Jmeter window batch file. You can see there is a Jmeter, it's a window batch file. previous versions directly will showing jmeter.bat, but another latest version is showing jmeter window batch file. Okay, just you need to right click, just a minute, you can right click this one. Okay, you can click on to the edit mode. Okay, whenever you can open this file, right, you can drop down, there is under environment variable section. Okay, enrollment variable section, it's available heap. Okay, it's available heap. Optional JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine memory settings used when starting JMeter default to. You can see there is another setup now latest hyphen XMS 1 GB hyphen XMX 1 GB directly will provide it. Otherwise, second one, max meta space size is about 256 MB, but you need to change minimum maximum. Okay, it's a directly will provided 1 GB 1 GB. Based on your requirement, you can change. Example, it's a 1 GB or 4 GB you need to give it, or you need to increase also. Most of the time in maximum memory you need to increase. Okay, this is the way you need to change. Once your changes is completed, okay, just you can save this one. Okay, save the file and you need to close. After you need to open the JMeter. Just a minute, we will open this one. Just you can wait for 1 minute only, it's open that one. First of all, you need to run any type of load test. There is any minimum load. Okay, you need to run to the GUI level, you need to run the test. It's not a minimum load, it's a maximum load. You can move into the non-GUI mode for single mission. He will running very huge load you need to generate. It's a peak level of test you need to do. That time you can go to the non-GUI mode and distributed level, multiple missions, load generated missions used to you need to run the test. Okay, that's the way one, that is the right way you need to do. And anytime you can face this type of out of memory issues, that time you can increase the Java heap space, right. You never required means you never getting to the any out of memory error. You can continuously, you can proceed in your validation and you can complete your task. Okay, once you done these changes, after go to the JMeter, you can go to file, there is an option restart. Okay, just you need to restart the JMeter and you need to use. Okay, that is the previous old versions, it's not available. Okay, the restart button. Previous systems, how can I do, right? You need to, once you done the changes, you can close everything and you need to reopen everything and you need to start. That is the way. And another one, another old example, it's a 2.0, that version there is another format also, you need to restart. Okay, but latest version says directly will provide a JMeter restart also. Okay, you can restart the system and you need to run the test. It's everything will be working as expected. Okay, yeah, that is the major intention, guys. Our topic. Okay, it's completed now. How to change the Apache Jmeter heap size? The most of the people will asking this question, that is only I will created this video. You require any other related performance related videos, please mention to the comment section. I will create and I will provide it to the upload it to the videos. Yeah, that's all, guys. This video I will connect to my next video. Thank you very much for everyone.